So today I am starting this Tamiya Panzer Leopard 135th scale. I bought this from my local hobby shop. It was a little banged up box. It was on sale, half price, as is, but and nothing's missing. It's just the box was banged up. I've been watching a couple of videos on putting it together. Just this is my first kit, so I wanted to do a good job. So what I'm doing the wheels and the drive sprockets, idler wheels, and road wheels, road wheels right now. And I'm kind of keeping things separate because the idler wheels kind of resemble the road wheels. I don't know if you can see. They're just a little different. So I'm trying to keep them apart. And I'm putting them in this storage box. Really helps keep them that way. So real quick, a nice thing about the what are these? The drive sprockets, they're keyed. There's a little key in there, a little nib that fits into the other side of the sprocket, So that's nice. And everything else is pretty, it just straightforward. Just goes together. Put a little Tamiya extra thin on this in the scanner. Well, railroad scanner. Trying to catch a train later. And I'm kind of orienting them. It doesn't matter. I'm going to sand down the little flash from cutting them off of the sprue. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. I'm just keeping, I'm trying to orient the flash on both parts of the wheel on the same side. And I'm just using this little nice flat standing stick. I get these from my local hobby shop, AAA Hobbies here in New Jersey. I think these are called Stevens Industries makes these. They have a lot of different ones, a lot of different shapes. They're pretty cool. Come in different grits. They're really nice. And yeah, there are 2 drive sprockets, 2 idler wheels, and 14 of these road wheels, they're called. 14 of those little boogers I got to put together. It's the directions, I've been watching some videos again on this kit, just to see what people are doing, because I've never done one of these. I've never done a kit, seriously. I've done kits as I've built models as a little a teenager. I was like 14, but I would build them. Me and my friend, we would build models and blow them up like firecrackers. So they never really got into them seriously. So yeah, I'm trying to be a good modeler. Apologize for the radio chatter, but yeah, I'm just doing a few at a time. I'll break this up into a couple videos probably, just to make it somewhat interesting. Yeah. So you have these track guides, okay? There's a long one and a short one, and the long ones go. Let's go here. The long ones go in these lugs that are a little longer. These receivers that are a little longer than the shorter ones. There's two here that are shorter shafts, like this. This shorter, this is a long shaft, and two that are short shafts that go into here. So the long ones go here and here, the short ones go here and here, and you can see they have a little D shape, and it fits into a receiving key in the inside of the body, the hull. So, and watching other videos really made a difference as to picking up these little nuances with these with these particular parts. These are specific for side to side. They're keyed in here. They fit, and they need to be oriented to the front of the vehicle. This axle shaft, okay, to the front of the vehicle. It's kind of weird. They have this part here. It's on the W skew. It's on the W sprue, and if you go to the reference on the side here that tells you all the different sprues, um, it says it's unnecessary. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why they would do that. But anyway, we'll clip it off and throw it in our little box here. So we're done with the W sprue. That's a good thing. So here are those little shorter um, track guides, and you can see they're shorter in length. So I'm pretty much done with this part of the hull. I need to still do I still need to do steps 1, 2, and I'll do them. And so I did steps 3, and my plan is I'm going to prime all this. I'm going to prime everything and then paint it and then assemble it. And that's my plan. So it's interesting. This kit is from 1969, I think. It's a pretty old kit. And I noticed, like, on the newer Tamiya kits, they suggest colors in in each step. They have a color listing for each part. Everything on here is pretty much just Tamiya olive drab. Everything pretty, yeah, everything. Somewhere. So in the very back, they have painting and applying your decals, decals, however you want to pronounce it. And it's pretty much all olive drab, Tamiya olive drab. They don't list it as a Tamiya color, but it's just, if you want to paint, if you want to paint in all Tamiya, it's just olive drab, XF, sorry, 62. And like I said, I'm going to prime everything and then start putting things together. One little thing I did, I don't know if it's important or not, but I took a caliber. I took my calipers and just made sure that what was sticking out was even on both ends of this axle here. This slide-in axle. This axle slides in. So I just made sure that it was even. That's it for this part of the build, and I'll bring you back on the next one.